Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter on Beehiiv, and this tutorial will be as quick and as simple as possible, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are on Beehiiv, you will see that you can start a 30-day free trial, cancel anytime, and no credit card is required. So let's go ahead and do that. Start our trial. Now you will see here that you can just get started with for free. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Now you will need to get started and enter your first, last name, email, and password. After this, you will need to go ahead, open up your Gmail or email you are using and verify the link and verify your email. Now you will need to choose what is your experience level, experienced, beginner, or curious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this one. Now you're gonna go ahead and enter your newsletter name. So I'm just gonna leave it like so. Your subdomain, you can go ahead and change it. And what's your newsletter about? And let's go ahead and choose artificial intelligence, for example, and let's continue. You can also add a logo if you want to. Now you will see all of this dashboard, and to create a newsletter, you're gonna click on start writing in the left corner right there. But basically that's where you start. Now you're gonna enter what this post is about. So you can start writing just right there, or you can go ahead and click on slash, and you will see all of these options like a bulleted list, numbered, buttons. You can insert an image here. I'm just gonna go ahead and paste everything I have wrote. And for example, I'm just gonna choose heading 1, enter this one. Now, if you want to go ahead and change the sizing of it, I'm just gonna go ahead, select it, and then you can change the, for example, from H3 to H1, just like so. Now, after you have wrote your newsletter, you want to click next. And from here, you can go ahead and choose publish to. Again, click next. From here, you can go ahead and choose your subject line right there. You can change it and modify it. I'm gonna click next now. Now, here is your post settings. So there is advanced email capture. If you want to, you can do a pop-up. The comments, all subscribers. You can also choose and change post URL. So AI revolution, for example. Now you can also choose the readers to listen to your newsletter if you want to, and some custom display date. You can also select your date if you want to. Click next. And now you can just review and publish your newsletter. Now, if you would like to change your colors, you want to click on this button right there, Newsletter Builder. And here you can go ahead and see how it would look if you would change, for example, your background. And this is how it will look like. Maybe you would like to make it black and letters white. You can do this too. I'm just going to leave it to white. Now the spacing, there's also this one, and some buttons, their colors, and so on and so forth. Basically, you can change here all of the colors on your newsletter. And then you're going to click Save Changes and exit this builder. After that, you can again modify it here. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do your newsletter. Again, let's go through all the steps. Let's review it, and you can go ahead and publish it and send it to your readers. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.